Here we go, final comic delivery until I decide, until I've got more ones that I need to get. Ugh. This is not going to last, this is not going to take a minute. This is very well wrapped, which is good. I appreciate that. It's a variant anyway, so I'll need to, yeah. Because there's more than one layer. See? Again, got to make sure that I don't hack the comic. Superior Spider-Man 3 homage, Wolverine homage variant. 50 years of Wolverine, apparently. It's Betsy after John Romita Sr. So he did the original cover, and she's just done more to it, possibly. I'm not exactly sure how that works, but yes. Betsy Wolverine variant cover. Lovely stuff. Superior Spider-Man 3. Subscribe.